have behind me is kind of a little bit of a messed up situation. You had an addition on the house that was done, and they sandwiched it to the old house. And when it comes together, you're getting a lot of water that's rotting out the siding. If you take a look at the siding here, you can see that the siding's all rotting. The customer's concerned that this is a gutter problem. It's actually not. It's a roofing problem, a flashing problem. Gutter is not watertight to the house. When the gutter comes to the house, it pushes up against the siding, okay? But you'll see the siding's on an angle, or if you have vinyl siding, it'll have an imperfection to it. It won't be completely level, so the gutter's gonna go flush against it. But water is still gonna get between the gutter and the siding. So you need a diverter up there. So what's happening up top here is that there's no diverter, and so the water is going between the gutter and the siding, and it's rotting up the siding. The second issue is that you have water from the upper level run into the lower level, and when the water from the upper gutter goes into that lower gutter there, it's going to splatter, and that water will splatter up on the siding, and that'll also just make the problem worse. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is the fact that there's no diverter that'll stop the water from going between the gutter and the siding from the roof, and that's causing all this damage. So just a quick little fix, and we'll get this taken care of.
Love this video and want to see more like it? Click to subscribe now.